Which sorting technique can be seen as an enhanced version of binary tree sort? Correct answer, heap sort. Explanation: heap sort improves upon binary tree sort by using a heap, complete binary tree, instead of a BST, avoiding imbalance issues and guaranteeing O of n log n time complexity. Bubble sort is also commonly referred to by which alternate name? Correct answer, sinking sort. Explanation: bubble sort is called sinking sort because, in each pass, the largest elements sink to the end of the array through repeated swaps. What is a key advantage of cycle sort compared to other sorting algorithms? Correct answer, it requires minimal write operations. Explanation: cycle sort is designed to minimize the number of writes to memory, making it especially useful when write operations are costly, even though its time complexity remains O of n square. Library sort is considered a modified or improved version of which sorting algorithm? Correct answer, insertion sort. Explanation: library sort enhances insertion sort by introducing gaps between elements, allowing faster insertions and reducing the number of shifts required while maintaining the same core insertion-based approach. Compared to insertion sort, what is the main advantage of library sort? Correct answer, library sort has a better average time complexity. Explanation: library sort improves the average case performance of insertion sort by using gaps between elements, reducing the number of shifts during insertion and achieving better efficiency on larger inputs. Why does intro sort switch to heap sort instead of using merge sort? Correct answer, because heap sort requires less space. Explanation: heap sort is in place and does not require additional memory, unlike merge sort. This makes it more suitable for intro sort when recursion depth becomes large and space efficiency is critical. Which sorting algorithm is most closely associated with operating system concepts? Correct answer, sleep sort. Explanation: sleep sort relies on OS level features such as multithreading and process scheduling, where each element is handled by a separate thread that sleeps for a duration proportional to its value before printing. Which sorting algorithm is inspired by the natural behavior of objects falling under gravity? Correct answer, bead sort. Explanation, bead sort models numbers as beads on vertical rods, where beads fall under gravity to sort values, directly mimicking the physical phenomenon of falling objects. Bucket sort can be viewed as a generalized form of which sorting technique? Correct answer, pigeonhole sort. Explanation, bucket sort generalizes pigeonhole sort by grouping elements into buckets, pigeonholes, and then sorting within each bucket. It extends the idea to handle a wider range of inputs more efficiently. What is a key drawback of using counting sort? Correct answer, counting sort has large space complexity. Explanation, counting sort requires an auxiliary array whose size depends on the range of input values, which can consume significant memory when the range is large, making it space inefficient in such cases. What is the core operation in the pancake sort algorithm? Correct answer, flip the given data. Explanation, pancake sort relies on repeatedly flipping subarrays to move the largest unsorted element to its correct position, mimicking the process of flipping pancakes in a stack. What is a notable advantage of recursive bubble sort compared to the iterative version? Correct answer, it is easy to implement. Explanation, recursive bubble sort simplifies the code by using function calls and recursion instead of nested loops, making the algorithm easier to implement and understand, even though time and space complexities remain similar. Comb sort is considered an improvement over which basic sorting algorithm? Correct answer, bubble sort. Explanation, comb sort enhances bubble sort by eliminating small values near the end, turtles, using a gap sequence, which reduces the total number of swaps and improves performance. Which statement about binary insertion sort is correct? Correct answer, it takes fewer comparisons in the worst case than the standard version. Explanation, binary insertion sort reduces the number of comparisons by using binary search to find the correct position for each element, although the number of element shifts remains the same as standard insertion sort. Which sorting algorithm relies on a binary search tree, BST, for its implementation? Correct answer, tree sort. Explanation, tree sort inserts all elements into a binary search tree and then performs an in-order traversal to extract them in sorted order. This BST-based approach ensures sorted output efficiently. Odd-even sort is a modified version of which basic sorting algorithm. Correct answer, bubble sort. Explanation: odd-even sort is a parallel variation of bubble sort, where adjacent pairs of elements are compared and swapped in alternating odd and even phases until the array is sorted. What modification can slightly improve the performance of jump search? Correct answer: begin from the kth element, where k is the step size. Explanation: starting from the kth element allows jump search to skip the initial elements in the first block, providing a slight performance improvement by reducing unnecessary comparisons at the very start. Which of the following sorting algorithms has a nonlinear time complexity? Correct answer: quicksort. Explanation: quicksort has an average and worst case time complexity of O of n log n and O of n square, respectively, making it nonlinear, whereas counting, bucket, and radix sort can achieve linear time under certain conditions. What is the main advantage of radix sort compared to quicksort? Correct answer: radix sort is not a comparison-based sorting algorithm. Explanation: radix sort sorts elements by processing individual digits rather than comparing entire values, making it a non-comparison based algorithm that can achieve linear time complexity under suitable conditions. Which sorting algorithm incorporates binary search to find the correct position for elements? Correct answer: binary insertion sort. Explanation: binary insertion sort uses binary search to locate the position where each element should be inserted, reducing the number of comparisons compared to standard insertion sort, though the number of shifts remains the same. Which of the following sorting algorithms is considered adaptive, meaning it takes advantage of existing order in the input? Correct answer: strand sort. Explanation: strand sort is adaptive because it efficiently extracts already sorted subsequences, strands, from the input, reducing work when the list is partially ordered. What is a key disadvantage of cube sort? Correct answer: high memory overhead for small data. Explanation: cube sort uses a complex data structure that incurs significant memory overhead, especially noticeable when sorting small data sets, making it less space efficient in such cases. Which sorting algorithm does TimSort initially use to sort small runs in the array? Correct answer, insertion sort. Explanation: TimSort starts by dividing the array into small runs and sorts each run using insertion sort, which is efficient for small or nearly sorted sequences, before merging them into a fully sorted array. What is the purpose of using a median of 3 quicksort over standard quicksort? Correct answer, so as to avoid worst-case time complexity. Explanation: while it doesn't technically eliminate the theoretical possibility of the worst case, it makes it incredibly unlikely to occur in practice. Which statement about merge sort is incorrect? Correct answer, it is an adaptive algorithm. Explanation: merge sort is not adaptive, meaning it performs the same sequence of operations regardless of the initial order of elements. Its time complexity does not improve even if the array is partially sorted.